Now, second example is indigestion. Indigestion means when the food is not digested properly. So, milk of magnesia or magnesium hydroxide is an antacid used to neutralize the effect of the acid produced in our stomach. Indigestion means when the proper digestion of food does not take place, due to which acidity occur in our stomach. So, to reduce the acidity, milk of magnesia is a kind of antacid which is prescribed by the doctor to take it, so that we can neutralize the effect of acid in our stomach. Soil treatment. How in soil treatment neutralization is helpful? Excessive use of chemical fertilizer make the soil acidic. What happens when there is lot of use of fertilizer in the field? What happens? The acidity of the soil increases and basicity of the soil increases. Both acidity and basicity are not good for growth of plant. So, when the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime or slag lime. So, when the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime and slag lime to reduce its acidity. And when the soil is too basic, then it is treated with organic matter, so that its basicity can be reduced, and these both soil can be helpful for plants growth. Now last, that is factory waste. As you all know, factory waste consists of acids which can indirectly harm soil and water. The waste of many factories contain acid which are neutralized by adding substances which can reduce its acidity. So what happens? Factory waste consists of waste which consist of acid which are neutralized by adding substances, so that it cannot harm the soil and water. So these are some of the examples which are telling that how neutralization occurs in our daily life. This chapter's revision is completed. Dear students, please prepare well chapter number 5 and 6 for your periodic test. Prepare the exercise part and question answers.